Hello, this is Mike at PlanSwift. I'm going to tell you a little about some new features for 9.4. And one of those new features is the area fill tool. And this comes into play when you subtract an area section. So I've got a page up on my screen. It's already scaled. I'm just going to digitize a concrete slab. I'll enter in, I'll leave it at 4 inches thick. I'll click OK, and I'm just going to digitize around my plan image here and close that off. Now there's a footer in the middle that I want to deduct for. I'm just going to right click, subtract from this section, and remove that footing. Now I've got that empty area. So now the new feature that we've added is the ability to autofill that area with another template. And I'm just going to come back over here to my footing cubic yard, and I'm going to left click and drag that object, and you'll see the blue highlight on the subtracted section, and I'm just going to drop that in there. Now that's already applied it to that section, and it's applied it to our estimate. I can also drag and drop my parts and assemblies just like you normally would onto both of those sections. If I go to my estimate, here you'll see my footing cubic yard that I just dropped into the center.